Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas tree lights like this in After Effects. No plugin, it's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll add new composition and I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to layer, no solid, and I'll name it background. Go to effect, generate and gradient ramp. Set linear ramp to radial and I put this point into the middle and change the colors. This, choose any color you want. Okay, now I'll go to file and import your tree. Drag and drop. Okay, by the way, I download this tree from Freepic and it's free. Press S to decrease it like this. Then I'll go to effect, color correction and levels, and I'll go to output white and I'll decrease it like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add a new solid again and I'll name it lights. Then hit OK. Go to effects and presets and I'll type CC particle world. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, now I'll open grid to close all grid here. Then I'll go to birth rate, I'll change it to 3. And longevity, I'll change it to 0.5. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I'll go to physics, go to velocity, I'll change it to 0, gravity also 0, extra 0. Then I'll go to reducer, radius X, increase it to cover all or the whole tree, also reduce Y. Okay, yeah. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to particle, but before I'll go to stylize and glow twice. Okay, like this. Then I'll go to change line to motion polygon. Okay, then I'll go to birth to death and I'll change it to custom. Go to custom color map and now choose your color. I'll choose red and okay here. I'll take a green, also blue, and this one. Okay, yeah. Now I'll pre-compose lights. Right click and pre-compose. And make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition. And okay. So now I'll go to tools here, pen tool, and I'll add a mask around the tree like this. Okay. Okay, now I'll open mask, mask 1, and I'll go to mask feather, increase it to 12, and also pixels to 20, and again I'll add a glow, but in this case I'll change threshold to 80, and I'll increase radius around 200 and see. Okay, now I'll go to light and Control D to copy. Then I'll go to layer, time, and I'll add time reverse layer. Okay. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type color, balance HLS, and I'll go to hue. See this? I'll go to hue to change the color. Maybe 45 and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.